Welcome to the March 14th, 2019 video version of the Wagner Daily. This video will replace the written commentary portion of tonight's report. And moving forward, we're going to try and do a video each and every Wednesday night. And hopefully the video will give you a little bit more insight as to how we look at charts, how we look at price and volume action. You might be able to pick up a few things here and there that can help your trading. So let's get to the charts. Broad market averages closed off the highs of the day. The Nasdaq Composite broke above the prior swing high. Volume picked up considerably, and the close was off the highs of the session. So this could be some minor stalling action up over here. So if the price action fails to break Wednesday's low on Thursday and clears Wednesday's high, then look for the strong short-term uptrend to continue. A break of Wednesday's low, though, could lead to further selling down to the 10 or even 20 and 200-day moving averages, and even possibly back into the range lows. Now, it's a little bit different with the big cap NASDAQ QQQ. Certainly, there was some stalling today. The close was well off the highs of the session on a pickup in volume, but there's a bit more separation between the swing high and Wednesday's high. So it's possible that QQQ could pull back into this 175 area and find support. IWM is a laggard. So the small cap ETF here, as you can see, this is the relative strength line. It's about to make a lower, I believe it did make a lower low right here versus the S&P 500. And here is the S&P 500 ETF SPY as it stalled with a false breakout above the swing high and closed back below. And a break of Wednesday's low could lead to further selling, and the full range is in play. MDY, like IWM, a lot of relative weakness the past few days, and its relative strength line has made a new low. And I don't want to make too much of the relative weakness in IWM and MDY. These indices ripped off the lows and could use a few weeks of pausing action here. All right, let's move on to potential setups. There isn't a heck of a lot out there right now that is actionable, meaning something that we can buy in a low risk, that's in a low risk buy point. But let's go through a few setups that we're looking at. We are currently long Cron in the newsletter, Kronos Group, and but as you can see here, the price action is holding above this downtrend line while sitting at the 20-day EMA. A move through Wednesday's high at this point, given two stalling bars already, the 2250 area, if it could punch through Wednesday's high, look for the price action to follow through and test this prior swing high. And if it can punch through that area, and then it could be off to the races. And this is one heck of an explosive stock, so we'd love to see it above 26 on a pickup in volume. INSP is interesting as it was a false breakout in late February, pulled back into the 50-day MA, just actually reversed just shy of the 50 MA, and now it is looks like it's breaking the downtrend line, stalled just below 60. So a move through 60 here is a potential buy entry. This is not an official entry point. It won't be listed on today's watch list. If you were to enter above 59 here, stop should be 52, so it's about a 9 to 10% stop. Next up is EDC, which looks like it could get interesting on a pullback into this 20-day EMA around 60, 560. I probably wouldn't buy it unless it pulls back to that area, and we'll have to see how it reacts to the 20-day EMA. SPSC, another current long, but it's not really doing much of anything, and we won't expect it to do much until it can clear 109. Amarin, nice cup here. Looks like it's forming a handle right here. A break of this downtrend line would be a signal that the price is reversing higher, but we first like to see it hold the 20-day EMA, maybe dip below it intraday with the next few days, and then turn back above. Definitely don't want the price action to sell off back down to the 50-day MA. And PFPT, which has rallied several days in a row. This is a cup with handle pattern as well. a deeper cup. Here's the stall, and then here's the handle forming. Proof Point has been on the watch list the past few days, looking for a pullback here to the 10-day MA. It never happened. It's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, heading into this obvious buy point here. I wouldn't want to buy it right here. Hopefully, it could chop around for at least 1 day, maybe 2 to 3, and offer a lower risk setup, but we'll see. And last up is SE. And SE is a big time breakaway gap up with an explosive 40% move over 2 to 3 sessions here. It's a bit too extended from the 20-day EMA for our liking right now, so we're not looking to buy now, but any pullback into this 22 area or 21 area that is close to the 20-day EMA could be a decent low-risk entry point in a very strong stock. Alright, so that's a wrap for tonight's video. There are no new official setups for tonight. You can check the watch list as we still have a buy setup in SVMK that is live. And I just wanted to remind everyone about the new stop price in Team, as we're trying to lock in about a 10 to 11% gain on the final 3% position. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day trading tomorrow.